Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna look at Arch Linux for the benchmarking and security, and at the end we'll do the conclusion of all tested and looked at Arch Linux distros. So the memory usage. So we saw already that ArcoLinux 672, Garuda Linux 849, Manjaro Linux 629, EndeavourOS 670, and Arch Linux is the minimum. It has 610 MB of memory in total use after a clean reboot. So Arch Linux wins this one. CPU usage, we already saw ArcoLinux, Garuda, Manjaro, Endeavour, and Arch Linux is the winner here. It has the less percentage of memory usage after clean reboot. It doesn't surprise me though, because it has less software installed and it has the minimal packages installed, so nothing be running in the background. And as you can see, it takes less CPU because of this. Boot time, well, we already saw these four, and until now, so the quickest one was Manjaro, but Arch Linux wins it in total. Because not so many packages installed, not so many servers installed, so it is the fastest input time. So the first three are already won by Arch Linux. The Hardening-Index, ArcoLinux 67, Garuda 63, Manjaro 63, and Endeavour 65. And Arch Linux, the basic Arch Linux, also 67, so it's on par with ArcoLinux. So I do not really understand what Garuda, Manjaro, and Endeavour are doing to make it less secure, but they probably do uninstall or something like that. It's strange to me that the basic Arch Linux install has a higher hardening index than the other ones. CPU speed, well, we saw these ones, and Arch Linux is, well, on par with ArcoLinux. Arch Linux does not have the highest executions per second, but it's on par with ArcoLinux. Memory speed, well, we were here, so, and Arch Linux is almost on par with EndeavourOS. So you can see that EndeavourOS wins this one, but Arch Linux is second place. The disk read speed. We had these four. So we can see that the fastest is ArcoLinux, and Arch Linux is on second place. The write speeds. So until now, ArcoLinux was the fastest, and it stays this way, and because Arch Linux is second in place. So you can see here that ArcoLinux and Arch Linux are very good on par. So the Geekbench scores. You can see, well, it's in third place at this moment, so you can see that it's in fourth place, sorry. So yeah, nothing much to say about this. Geekbench Multi core score, so ArcoLinux, Garuda, Manjaro, EndeavourOS, and Arch Linux. No, nothing to say about this. It's good. Well, the browser test speeds: ArcoLinux 116, Garuda Linux 87, Manjaro 102, EndeavourOS 119, and Arch Linux also 119. So pretty good. So if we go to the next one, this is the overall wins, and the overall wins will decide which is better in total. So we have ArcoLinux with 5 wins in total, Garuda Linux 0 wins, Manjaro 1 win, EndeavourOS 2 wins, and Arch Linux 5. So we have 2 winners, as ArcoLinux and Arch Linux. and EndeavourOS in second place. But yeah, like I said, the best ones are ArcoLinux and Arch Linux. So the basic install of Arch Linux is very good. ArcoLinux is very nice because you get a lot of things in there that are already set up for you. And Arch Linux is, yeah, you have to set up everything for yourself. This is just a basic install. The Arch Linux install script works fine. And you get a basic installation. And then you can select or install your own software by your choice. But it's good for me to see that ArcoLinux and Arch Linux are both the winners, because yeah, I like them both. And EndeavourOS is in second place. Yeah, EndeavourOS with the BSPWM window manager is one of my favorites. I haven't tried Arch Linux with BSPWM. I will try that as well. But overall, I must say my two favorites from this test are on the first place. I hope you like these videos, guys. So the Arch Linux top 5 video is completely done. The conclusion is that we have two winners. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.